Summer. No, that's okay. That's just Canada, Alberta, summertime. Oh yeah. Still got a fish. That's pretty much quiet now. Oh. So I rest here, and I ate here.
Look at the couple brown there, swimming around.
To be honest, I need to put the tarp on. Second time, guys. Second time. I'm forcing right now the another lake. Just before I start, I have to go and find my clamp. Kind of forgot to pick them up. Everything right now pretty much quiet. That's insane. Love it so much. And this is a revenge fishing. Because the last time, oh wow, I want to go here. Oh yeah. There you go. Woohoo! Yeah, when you don't have a backpack, very easy. Ooh. Anyway, guys, welcome to another episode. Oh, something stuck in my feet. It's a rock. Suck. So I'm looking right now for my spoon. Remember, I found a spoon, and I'm also looking for my clamp. I lost my clamp, and I remember where I put them. So before I start today, and we're definitely gonna go on a boat, even when it's gonna be rainy. Hey, rain! You hear me? Woo! Life is good. I was sitting here relaxing, and look at that, my babies. Mwah. Woo! Perfect. And then much important to find spoon, because spoon is a trophy. If I could just remember where I put them. Oh my god. That sucks. That sucks. No. I don't see it at all. That is okay. It's just a spoon. The question is, fish this lake or the small lake? The last time I fished on a dam from the other side, I saw pretty much big fish chasing my lure. Like pretty much big. When I say that, I mean it's very big. And you know, when stuff underwater, you basically see stuff the smaller. So that fish was almost like my hand. Let's prepare the boat and let's go in the water. It's no wind, so I can choose. I just saw the fish biting on the small lake. I'm gonna try to bring here my boat, go in the water from that shore, go around the bobs there, and hopefully we're gonna swim around. Not hopefully, we're definitely gonna. Now I have a 2 backpack and the boat 1 back. Super creepy. Oh shoot, super careful. And then I'm just gonna leave 1 back here, and then I'm gonna go down a couple casts. All right, down there. I like this spot. All right. What I'm gonna use, guys, it's a little Cleo from Acma. I got a nice fish on that spoon already, and we're gonna have more. And the fish racing over there. It's not now, but I saw it before. So we're gonna do a couple casts. Maybe we're gonna catch fish. You know, the thing is, I forgot my net. I'm gonna need to go up and take a net. Guys, look at that. Bunch of brown there. Wow. Right there. Look. There. See? I'm changing location, guys. I decide don't do anything here. Why? Because there is a dam over there. And the last time I saw, there is a lot of water dropping after 6 p.m. So, shoot, I'm not sure if I want to be there. I'm gonna go find another place. And also I forgot my net. I need to go to the car anyway. I need to put the tarp on, otherwise we're gonna be wet. I'm gonna tie tarp here, use this wood, that one and this one, and probably gonna use that small one because there's really big rain coming from the south. That one goes there, this one goes here. Just gonna use this couple of trees right here to make myself stucky here. It's gonna be just a tree connection. We're gonna connect it from that side, just over here. Faster. Oh, this one is okay. I like this one. No need to tighten anything. Just make a wrap. Whew. All right. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Okay, just move it. You're gonna need to move it inside. There you go. Real quick, how does it look like? It looks like this. Looks pretty much cozy. Whew. Pretty much safe right now. So I'm still gonna go there. I don't care. So I'm gonna just prepare my boat, and then I'm gonna go underwater and fish a little bit, and probably gonna make a coffee right now. But also, so I don't really want to warm myself. I'm just pretty much cozy here right now. I'm glad I made it. I'm glad I took the tarp. It's not a perfect one, but pretty much you can see everything safe and dry. And I can sit here, I have a chair, I can cook here, I can do any other stuff. Just installed the seat. Right now the rain and snow just passed by, went through the tarp inside. We're gonna package everything back. My net. And yeah, of course, my safety jacket. Gonna leave the tarp on the shore. It's super tight, and if the rain gonna come back, I'm gonna come back. The weather crazy, you know, the sunny right now, it's insane. I think I'll fish somewhere closer to the dam. Okay, first cast on a deep spot. There you go, not too far. The line just stuck. Let's change the lure for the dark one. Usually I use it for a cutthroat roll, but it looks like a brown, so a lot of brown here. Like I said, there is a huge pool right here. I have couple bites, couple followers. I'm just gonna keep fishing, see if we can catch fish here. You have to understand the fish could be super slow today. Super slow. But maybe not, you never know. Nobody can tell you that fish slower, no. You just have to keep fishing. Whew. It's only +2 right now, +2. It's middle of June. Brr. My goal is go on the other side right now. Let's go. A little stuck. Cast in the middle. Let's see if we can fish here. Oh my god, this is a hail. Oh my god. This is hail. I need to run. Woo! Yeah, baby. That's insane. I was there, swim around, blah 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 blah, and then I'm here, and now I'm gonna cook. I think I'm gonna make it stronger in the other side right here, and I feel like I'm gonna connect this guy, so I'm gonna be more safe here. I'm gonna put the chair here, move the boat a little bit farther, and then cook here. So enjoy life. That's nice. The weather is nice. Could be worse, right? So the rain is not the worst one. I need waterproof pants. This is just water resist. The nice one. But if I have waterproof pants, I would stay on the water and fish. Such a nice experience. The coffee is amazing, or I am too cold. My goodness, look at the weather, guys. While we are cooking, look at that snow. Just in the middle. Just look at that, this way right there. This is the wall of snow. A little water here. That's insane. That's so beautiful. Look at that. -1, middle of June. Oh, I'm just cooking. Yummy stuff. Oi, mushroom run. This one is done. Woohoo! Usually I'm making 1 minute one side. Alright, let's get it checked out. Awesome. That's what I want. My boat is... It's snow. It's snow. It's a fudging snow. Still gonna fish. Just wanna finish my food. Summer. No. That's okay. That's just Canada. Alberta. Summertime. We almost here. Almost. Are you in Miami? Plus 35? Oh, okay. Yeah, come over here. We have a -1 right now. Snow. Middle June. Escaping. Is it real? Is it real happening to me? That's so amazing. I'll do it like this. It's amazing. From one side it's amazing, and from another side it's just a burning problem. Now I'm gonna package my chair, my tarp, and get out of here. Alright, thank you so much guys to being with me this trip. This episode I'm gonna remember for all my life. That was so cool and also so dumb. See you guys next time. Bye bye.